Hey everybody, so I got a quick video, picked up some paint from Walmart, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so this is not from Walmart, but these three cans, they're the same paint. They are Satin Fire Orange. This is Rust-Oleum American Accents 2x Ultra Coverage Paint and Primer. Wood, metal, plastic, and more bonds to plastic. Has it in bright yellow. Fast drying, indoor, outdoor. Made with double coverage technology. I found it neat because I've been buying Rust-Oleum stuff for a while, but I've never paid attention to it. It says made in USA. At the bottom. 11 Hawthorne Parkway, Vernon Hills, Illinois 60061. Has a phone number, Rust-Oleum.com, and then it says made in USA. Hecho EUA. 2017 Rust-Oleum Corporation. So pretty neat. I already sprayed this. I already did a video on this paint being utilized. I didn't actually do a video of me spray painting the item, but I did show off the painted item on a video. I like this paint. It came out really nice. The reason I had this VHT can in here was because this is what I sprayed first. I'm sure if you use like a white base coat, this might have been a little bit lighter, but I used this VHT header paint, and I sprayed this over it. So this was kind of a yellowish orange on the item, and then this came out really like this beautiful, like fiery kind of dark burnt orange almost is what it came out. So that's the reason I had it in the screenshot at the beginning of the video, was I used this as kind of the base color. That was never the intention. I intended on using this color for the whole thing. Problem is I ran out, and this is $15 a can at AutoZone and places that sell this, where I got these three cans for $12. So I just ended up changing the color. It probably would have taken two or three of these cans to get the darkness I wanted, and it would have been more expensive than it was worth. It was just me restoring a handle for a generator cart that I converted the cart to something else. But yeah, this is really nice paint. I do like the Satin Fire Orange. You know, it may be different color based off of what your base coat is. You know, if you have a green base coat, I'm sure it's going to be a totally different color, because I know when I sprayed this on the item I was spraying, and I kind of got it on the chair I was leaning the item against. It was one of those cheap metal, you know, assembly chairs. That chair was green. When this paint dried on that chair, it dried red. So I'd assume, dependent on the color, the base coat color it's being painted on is going to depend on how dark this is. If it's orange, if it's red. You know, this, when this dried on the object, it was kind of like a yellowish orange. So when I sprayed this on it, it seemed to have gotten a little darker than the cap, but it's still an orange color, and I kind of like it. You know, it doesn't do it justice, the camera doesn't. But appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.